Can you still get warping at him?
Wolf with scram.
Yeah, go at him.
Got the wolf.
Alright, drop scram.
I'm damped by the latch.
Yeah, I can't do anything with the ledge, sorry.
I can. I'm not damped.
Alright, I'm shooting a wolf.
Alright.
Missiles inbound. Okay, I'm hitting him.
Point.
Forgot to hit
Get
recording.
damped by some shit.
Midget
Latch.
Oh,
controls
here come the
from-
drones.
Watch the golem, you guys. Be careful.
Watch these fighters, dude.
Fighters incoming.
He's on me.
Okay, I'm on grid.
Carrier's on me.
Alright, I'm shooting this Templar right here.
Yeah, we're right at golem range right now.
Yeah.
Golem.
He just did it. I'm good. I'm good. You
I
good,
gotta burn off,
cities?
I gotta burn off.
Yeah. I'm killing this caracal, by the way.
Golem scan res damped.
It's a cruise
got-
golem.
I
It's
got
a cruise
point.
golem.
Caracal scrammed.
Watch this jaguar.
I'm in reload.
Oh, Nitty warp down.
Yeah. Let's get his drone's already down here.
Vargas warp.
Okay, caracal down. Let's kill. Is anybody having trouble? Anybody having trouble?
I'm
Jag.
good.
Jag.
I got the fighters on me.
Jag.
so I'm fighting him right now.
No.
Can you nuke the jag, Warman?
Jag's damped.
Yeah, I got him neuted.
Okay, can we point the jag?
Yeah, I'm going for him.
I got reps on you, Ziva.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, I'm getting nuked, but oh no.
Caracal's dying.
Let's go in the Barghest. Go in the Barghest.
Caracal's in half shield.
Go in the Barghest. Oh, okay, he's eating shit. No, go in the Barghest. Go in the Barghest next. Keep it news in the Barghest, Warman.
Yeah, I'll start neuting him.
Can you get ready to go in and grab him?
Fighters coming in.
They're on the curse.
They're on me.
Okay, I'm locking you up. Hold on.
Okay, if you guys have ECM drums, throw them on them. Throw them on the fucking...
Atron.
I'm
Yeah, blast that.
shooting this fighter.
Adam, just clear fighters, please.
Yep. I'm shooting him.
Oh, I need some
It's
wings.
a shield Barghest. He boosted out. Okay, cool.
I'm warping out.
Okay, yeah.
I'm trying to. I can't keep you up.
Yeah, I'm warping out.
Oh, this Atron got past me. I'm
He's
pointed.
dead. He's dead.
Alright, he's scrammed.
Okay.
Golem is gonna boost on top of us. Watch out.
Yeah, I'm 50 from him. I'm trying to stay 50 from him.
I haven't
I'm
dealt
gonna ram the
with
syrup. They have a syrup. I'm gonna ram the syrup. Okay, there's not much left on grid here, you guys.
Golem. That's the
We-
backside
yeah,
of us.
Golem.
Golem to the backside.
Yeah. Okay, go back in. Go back in.
Oh, he's got fighters on Ziva. Oh, Jag on the confessor.
Yeah, we're with the confessor. Oh, he's gonna die.
Golem's right on top of me.
I didn't see the compressor. My bad.
Reps on
Yeah.
Adam, maybe. Broadcasting just in case. Fucking latches me damped.
He's
We have
gonna
to
warp
Where's
back
the
reset.
in
latch? Where's the latch at?
He's
Can you
110
nuke the
off.
latch? Oh, we gotta ram the latch, you guys.
Sweet.
Can I
Yeah.
warp
Wait,
to?
let's go in the latch. Go to Daniel. I'm like 50 off everything.
Okay, I'm
Let's go in the
warping
latch.
to
Go in the latch. If you guys have any damage, put in the latch.
I'm gonna need reps when I land.
I'm going in on this latch, you guys.
He's got me damped. I can't do anything.
I'm going in on him. Jag on me.
Golem.
Jag.
I got pushed off. I was taking too much damage.
My lock
Ziva.
range is 50.
I'm locking you up now, Werman.
Alright. I can shoot the Jag now. Close enough. Okay, it worked.
Jag's pointed.
Jag is neuted. I'm gonna nuke the hawk too.
Damage coming in. Like worked.
Okay, there's another jag. Okay, no more latch. We kill this jag.
Yep, I got all those rigs.
Oh, I'm dead.
neuted.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. I died. Jag golem.
Fuck.
Move the golem.
Yeah,
I'm
we
switching
gotta
all the
go.
neuts.
What's got you pointed?
Fucking everything.
Shooting a hawk.
Well, yeah. Let's start clearing shit for him.
No, I'm dead.
It's a
Shoot.
cap regen fit.
Get the jaguar. Let's kill the jaguar. Nuke the golem. Oh yeah.
I'm dead.
No, I can't.
Let's try and get his pot out though. Let's try and get his
Yeah,
pot
my
out.
pod's fine. There's no saber.
There might be.
Oh, I got damned.
No, it's not.
I'm morphing back in the pot to hold some sabers.
Can we
God
boost?
damn.
We have a boost. Yeah, I'm dead.
I got
The
damned.
Dragger can maybe boost.
I had to warp in the Draugr, sorry.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, I just lost my high grades.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How?
It's okay, fine. We got guys on grid. Let's keep moving.
Yeah, warp off. I gotta warp.
Yeah, let's everybody just ping off real quick. Ping off.
They got a saber on you?
Yep, it's totally fucking. Oh no. I just unplugged all my high grades and I was in my Imperial Navy Slicer. Woo!
Candon.
Yeah, I'm gonna plotted you to get a Barghest.
That was a great
if there's
fight.
fucking MGDs, we gotta fucking leave. That's just the shades.
Yeah.
Right.
Why am I not warping?
MGDs are so gay.
Props to Daniel for bringing the big dick out tonight.